Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your American vlogger and let me take you the tour today. What's up everybody? Welcome back. Today we are going to do something different than like a regular travel vlog. Today I'm actually going to show you some great things like basically we are going to check out the awesome car for 2022. There is a car show in Washington DC and I live very close to DC and I cannot miss this moment to go and see those cars and show you the new car also. So stay with me, we'll see the car together.
For a taste and I'll show you how I make.
So friends, it is very cold outside. It is like a negative like 10 degrees Celsius. It's really bad, but I'm about to go to my car and we're about to head to the Washington DC car show. Stay with me, I'll show you on the way and we'll check it out the car together. Alright, thank you so much, stay with me. So guys, as you can see, you know, it is very cold because there was a snow yesterday. It was like a 1 to 3 inches of snow. I think this is the last snow of this season, but because of that snow, it is very cold and getting very freezy.
When she's naked, her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
So guys, whatever you see right here is a gift from my soulmate. This is my Valentine gift. I just met with her and she gave me the heart. Actually it was a two-part, one part for my girl and one part for me. And I just want to say thank you so much, my love, for this awesome gift. Thank you. I love you so much. Thank you guys. Stay tuned and I'll show you more about the our car show. Okay, see you soon. So guys, finally I am in Washington DC car show. As you can see, this is our car show ticket, and we are just in the parking lot. We park our car. That is $25 for the day, but you know we just have to park our car, so there's no other way. So we are just about to head out to the car show. Stay tuned. So guys, it is very cold. We are in Washington DC, so we're just about to go to inside the car. Just stay tuned, I'll show you. Alright.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it, a life worth living.
As you can see, right now I am in the car show entrance. You can see up here, that's called Washington DC Auto Show 2022. So we're just about to go inside and check out the cars and other scenes out there. So stay with me, I'll show you all. Thank you.
Now we say, I need a break. Time to stand strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time to stay strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
So guys, I'm still inside, so we are just about to go check more cars here. And basically in DC you have to have a vaccine card to get entry. Make sure you bring your vaccine card if you want to come. and I'll show you more.
I'm gonna be someone. It's never too late. Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not.
I'm finally inside of the car showroom, and now let's see the cars. Let's go right now.
Now you got a face on the barrel of the gun, cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
We are gonna see more cars. Just stay with me. There are lots of cars to show, okay?
I'm gonna be someone. It's never too I see you rolling up, Uber black Cadillac.
Guys, let me show you the more car. That's awesome car for 2022. Some of the greatest sports car. Just right now. Here you go. Guys, how you liking so far? Please let me know. I'm just trying to show you everything they have it. You know, it's a lots of cars here, lots of cars. I'm loving it. These are the car for 2022. Great cars. Some are great electronic car, and some are like awesome sports car, a regular family car, Jeep, van. They have lots of them. I'm just loving it. It's just awesome. Just let me know in the comment how you like them, and what is your favorite car? Which color did you like? Just put in the comment down below and let me know. Okay? Just stay tuned with me, and I'll show you more, a little bit more.
Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
So guys, finally the tour is over. We are about to finish our tour right here. And thank you so much for staying with me. It was a great tour. I love the cars. My favorite car was the red Corvette, and that was an awesome car. I hope to get one day, but for now, just like touring, with like a new car. And it was a pleasure giving you this video. And I hope you guys enjoy. Keep watching, keep motivating. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. I'll see you soon.
What I want, I'll keep